Naveen Thangaya, founder of Mobile Office. Mobile Office is essentially an application that enables small and medium businesses to manage all their work-related activities for their distributed teams. It enables you to do your business processes, your communication requirements, your task management, and your knowledge sharing all in a single application. I've essentially got 25 years of experience, worked in FMCG companies, large FMCG companies like Cadbury, Wipro Consumer Products, HP, Hewlett Packard, and then was in telecom with Vodafone and Airtel. In the last 15 years, I've been with startups, starting with a mobile payments company, edtech company, and then now with a company that helps small and medium businesses be more productive, which is Mobile Office. Firestarter program was very interesting in its structure, in the sense that it went to the fundamentals of how you look at your business. We are a company that's already 3 years into doing business. We have some customers and we are looking to expand and grow. So our intent was primarily to get to a point where we can find a repeatable, scalable, profitable business model to go forward. Moved from probably 0 to 1 and got our early customers. But this is a good time to sort of stop and look back at things and see how we can get to looking at the fundamentals of how you approach your market and your business. All of these change, correct? So, and the Firestarter program essentially helps you look back in a structured manner at all the basics of your business. All parts had their interesting elements, and I think it's important to, once you're into your business, you stop looking at, or you don't often look back at what were your base principles that you started your idea on. And at some points in time, it's a good idea to look back at them and see which ones of your hypotheses or your thought processes are working and which ones aren't, and look at ways in which you can build on what you have done till now and maybe chart a new course, or maybe chart a course which is slightly different from where you started. I think the specific element of how do we scale our business, correct? How do we scale? What do we focus on in terms of business areas? What is the value offering? How do we price our product, and how do we get more customers? These are the questions that we are looking at greater depth in terms of building the go-to-market strategy at this point in time. Many aspects of the program were very interesting, and especially things like your ICP, etc. You sort of drawn some views of that, and then you sort of put them aside, correct? So it's good to go back and look at those, what was your ideal customer profile, and sort of probably also look back and take some hard decisions on which are the customers and which are the profiles of companies that one must target to get to the next stage. So in our case, we are essentially saying what will get us to 50 to 100 customers, and where should we focus our energies for that to be achieved, correct? And that gives you a new set of ICPs to look at, and new ways in terms of what you should do with your product and how you should sort of take it forward. The other very interesting element on the go-to-market was on how do you sort of how do you build in the customer benefit and the customer angle. And this is, I think, all product companies are guilty of, is to essentially say that whatever I built is required by the customer, correct? And to mirror all the features and benefits that you think are coming out of your product as what customer requires, correct? So you've got to actually set that apart, and then look at what are customers doing today, and how does your product, how potentially your product can essentially help the customer surmount his pain points and can be of value as they go forward. That was quite eye-opening in terms of how do you look at the customer, and how do you sort of empathize with the customer and build your entire sales action, the customer journey, based on that understanding of the customer need. Companies that are at the stage that we are at, which is got an operations going on, will always find it difficult to focus time and energy, correct? So I think one of the aspects where we can have a very sharp focused besides the 2 hours on Tuesdays and Fridays, I think identifying or maybe spending 5-10 minutes at the end of each program in terms of what you can take out from that particular session and how do you incorporate it into your current actions and your current activities. Take it. You should do this program. Whatever stage you are at, correct? So whether you are thinking about an idea or whether you are way into your product and you've achieved some customer success, I think this program will give you great insights in terms of how to look at your entire product journey and help structure your business, structure your overall processes, correct? To essentially get to a product market fit, which is repeatable, scalable, and profitable. I think that is the key that you can essentially look to achieve with this program. And there are few places where you would get an occasion to interact with multiple people, whether it's Kaustubh, whether it is Bhavesh, or whether it is Chandrasekhar. The way that they have this overall experience and how you can engage them to look at your company's specific requirements and get insights from them, I think is a key differentiator in this program versus doing something online or doing some accelerator program. I think getting their time on a one-to-one basis as well during the one-to-one sessions, I think is key to making changes in the way that you can do business. People should do more of this program because you have lots of people who will give you advice one-off, correct? They'll spend half an hour to understand what you're doing and give you an hour of lecture with very generalized things. This is a 8-week program that brings in a very structured process, exposes you to look at various aspects of your business and then devise a forward-looking plan, which is a continuously evolving document. And I think as part of this exercise, you also build those relationships with industry experts like Kaustubh, Bhavesh, and that essentially is going to be of great value.